Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can manage and delete website data in Safari on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Safari. Now scroll down to the bottom, and in here tap on Advanced, then tap on Website Data at the top. Next, you can tap on the Show All Sites button to expand the list and view all the sites. You can also tap on the Filter button, and from here you can filter by the different browsing profiles. So here I have personal, school, work. Depending on how you create your profile's name, you might have something named differently to mine. Then tap on Done. Now tap on the Edit button at the top, and from here you can delete website data. And then tap on Delete. So tap on the Delete button over here, then tap on Delete. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.